A rare vehicle, BMW 428, 2014, and it's not started.
Hey, that's the one.
Yeah,
Very good.
it's showing ignition on, and it's not communicating with engine or transmission. ABS is communicating. I looked at the diagram. The fact that ABS is communicating tells me that a lot of stuff is up, including the front control module. Okay, from what it looks like, I'm going to be blaming the transmission computer. It's been done. The work has been done to the transmission recently. We're going to put it up on the lift, unplug the transmission, and see if that brings the communications back. I will report the results as usual. Thank you.